What's going on? Have you ever wanted to take your beats to the next level in Logic Pro X, but all the videos that you've been watching on YouTube or on other places online have really not met that expectation? I was once in that place, but after years of experience making music and producing beats and different things like that, I have an amazing course that's going to help you to learn some tips and tricks that will modernize your music and take your beats to the next level. I go by Ever J Music. As I said before, I have several years of experience as a producer, a recording arts degree from Full Sail University, and I've learned several different software programs, Logic Pro X being one of them. And in this course, man, I'm gonna show you some productivity tips and tricks. I'm gonna show you some creation tips and tricks. I'm gonna show you some editing tips and tricks. Great things that you can use to differentiate yourself as a music producer. So enroll in this course. I'll see you on the other side. I'm here to help you. Go ahead and enroll, and let's go.